So this one's almost identical to number 35, just one difference. So check there if you're having difficulties. Begin with the Murray opening, then move the top of the index loops to be position 1 in both hands. Pick up across with the middle fingers like so, almost like an opening A move, but using the middle fingers. Now this time I'm just going to show you what we're going to be doing, but I muck around a little bit here just to show you. We're going to hold that at one point, but not quite yet, because we're going to do the different move first. And the thing we're going to do first is to move the little finger string, but rather than lifting it straight onto the ring finger, we roll it over, and that's the difference between the two designs. Now hold all the strings together except for the nearest and the furthest, and draw back the thumb string, the near thumb string, under all the strings with the little finger. Again, little finger under everything and draw back all the strings so that just one string comes back. Let go of the thumbs. Thumbs go over the nearest string, under everything, and then under the little finger string, the far little finger string. Well, that came off. I'll pop it back on again. Yeah. So thumb goes over the nearest string, under the far little finger string. And there's a little triangle with the base towards you, sitting on top of everything. Just lift it off with the little fingers. Do a Navajo move. Lift the bottom little finger loop off over the one you've just taken on. So that leaves only one loop on each of the fingers. And now we're going to grab all the strings, like so. The index and the thumb hold the strings together like that. Fold down the middle three out of the way. The little finger and the thumb go into the near string away from you, and the thumb goes into the little far one away from you, again with the other hand. Hold tight. Thumb and index holding all the loops together. Fold down the middle three, and the thumb and the little finger go into the near loop away from you, and the thumb only into the far loop away from you. Now, we're going to do curl line extension on the far thumb loop, and this time when we open it out, it's going to be slightly different, but it's quite, I like this one. I prefer this one, the 4 pines. Slightly nicer. And I have a feeling this might have been what the previous one was supposed to do, but there was a mistake, and then they justified it by making a name for it called Moon, because it doesn't look like the moon at all, really. However, that's what happens. It may actually have been a new design or a mistake. Anyway, that's the 4 pine trees. Well done.